Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today we are going to deal with the range problems. So how we can do that? So I have typed 4 number here and I am going to make a simple sum like this and enter. Now we can see we have 4 cells. If I will enter fifth cell here, so the range will not update automatically. We need to update it again and again like this. Now, how we can deal with this problem? We can convert our range to table so that we can our formula will update automatically. So I'm going to copy the 4 cell once again. Now I'm again using sum range. Okay. Now the same answer is coming. I am converting my range into a table and a shortcut for that is Control L. Control L, click OK. Now you can see the range is still coming here. If I will enter fifth value and it will update automatically. So this is the problem and this is the solution. So keep enjoying and keep learning.